Welcome, fam. You're not tired. Your body's just holding tension from yesterday. That tightness in your hips, that fog in your mind, it's stored stillness. This morning, we're letting it go, one stretch at a time. Let's hit the mat. If your stride feels short or your back feels pinched, your hips are likely the culprit. This is where we begin the reset. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, a back knee down, and let your hips sink gently forward. Inhale, lift your arms overhead. Exhale, drop your shoulders and breathe into the front of your left hip. You're going to feel a deep stretch in your hip flexor and lift through your spine. When the hips are tight, the back overcompensates. This move reclaims that space so your lower body can move freely again. You'll need that hip space for glute activation next. Shift your hips 1 inch forward, then breathe into that edge. Are you clenching or actually softening into the stretch? That just opened the door. Now let's step through it. You might already feel the difference between sides. This one's about balancing the scales. Switch sides, step your left foot forward, a back knee down. Let your hips glide forward, arms up if it feels right, or hands on your thigh for support. Stay tall, breathe low. You're going to feel a mirrored stretch through your right hip, a subtle lift in your posture. This stretch unlocks fluid movement in your lower body and sets a tone for better walking, standing, and sitting without pain. Your hip tightness might be restricting your breath too. Can you drop your back hip just a little more? 5 seconds? Is this side tighter or just more guarded? That just restored your stride. Now let's activate what supports it. We don't just stretch, we activate. This move wakes up the muscles that keep you standing tall and walking strong. On all fours, lift your right knee out to the side like a fire hydrant. Keep your hips stable, movement slow. Lower with control, repeat. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You're going to feel heat in the glutes, control in your core. Active hips reduce strain on your knees, ankles, and lower back. You'll feel stronger because you are. Next, we drop into stillness to test that new control. Pause at the top for one breath before lowering. Is your body helping or is your glute doing the work? That just powered your hips. Now let's stretch them deep. Welcome to one of the deepest lower body releases we can do. It's uncomfortable, but in the best ways. Stand with feet wider than hips, drop into a deep squat, elbows inside the knees, hands at heart. Press your knees out gently, breathe low, rock side to side if needed. You're going to feel your inner thighs, ankles, hips all opening, back decompressing. This stretch supports digestion, pelvic mobility, and spinal alignment, all from a grounded place. This pose stimulates parasympathetic nerves, helping your body feel safe enough to let go. Stay perfectly still for 5 seconds, chest lifted, eyes soft. Are you resisting the stretch or surrendering into it? That just freed up your hips. Now let's smooth it all out. We've stretched, we've strengthened, now we mobilize. From a kneeling or standing position, begin slow circular movement with your hips, forward, side, back, side, half circle at a time. Switch directions halfway through. You're going to feel gentle release through the lower back, hips, and pelvis. Smooth control in each direction. Circular movement strengthens joint control and improves coordination in ways linear stretching never can. Now we'll send it all downward, out the legs, through the spine. Can you keep the motion fluid without breaking rhythm? 5 seconds. Do you feel stuck in any part of the circle? That just restored hip freedom. Now let's drain the tension from the back line. Let this one be soft. It's not about force, it's about release. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Inhale, lift arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Let your head hang. Sweep your toes left to right. You're going to feel lengthening through your spine, hamstrings, and calm returning to your breath. This completes the loop, resetting your nervous system and restoring circulation to your brain and back. The stretch can lower cortisol and anxiety levels if you let gravity take over. Soften your knees, drop 1 inch deeper. 5 more seconds. Are you holding or are you letting go? That just realigned your whole back line. You're grounded, open, and mobile. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.